Underarms hair removal with sugar paste. For beginners, let's do it together. First, prep the skin and analyze natural hair growth direction. Apply some powder to absorb extra moisture and spread it all over the underarms. Grab some sugar paste with tips of your fingers and roll it in a small ball, just like golf ball size. Stretch the skin and start application. Apply sugar paste evenly on the skin against the natural hair growth. 3 times you can repeat it slowly and extract it with natural hair growth direction. Follow the natural hair growth patterns for best result. Always stretch the skin while you're working. It's very important to avoid any pulling the skin or bruising the skin. Switch the size to follow the natural hair growth pattern. Apply accordingly. By pushing sugar from behind, it allows you to spread the sugar paste evenly. Go slow. Before you want to extract, tie the skin. Apply some pressure to release pain sensation. You can repeat the process as much as you need it. A sugar paste, very gentle to the skin. It's made of sugar, water and lemon juice, so it's safe even for very sensitive skin. No harm to it. For better stretching, you can ask your client to help you with it. They can hold their skin from the other side for better application. When you finish the extraction, it's important to apply proper aftercare. In this video we use Finipil, which is antibacterial and moisturizing cream. It will protect the skin, soothe the skin and help with irritation. This way, we make sure we finish our service properly. After the service, educate your clients that they have to exfoliate and hydrate their skin. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.